Today I'm going to walk you through a mini budget and an example of a mini budget. This is not our information, this is not our numbers. I just made one up just for the sake of this video. So a mini budget is whenever you make a budget and if you make a monthly budget, things don't always go as planned, and that is totally understandable. A mini budget is when you take today's day until the day before you get paid. So let's say, for instance, this person is going to get paid February 15th. They're going to budget from now until payday. And they're going to write down the exact amount they have left in their checking account. So this person has $875 left in their checking account, and we have a little bit over a week before they get paid again. So instead of filling out every category, because for instance, this person's already paid their mortgage, they've already paid their water bill, they've already paid medical bills or their car payment, you only fill out what is left to pay in this time period. And so what this does is this keeps you from just saying, forget it, screw it, and throwing up the budget and overspending. And this is what has saved our family, these mini budgets. So you'll see, for instance, this person has already paid their housing. I went ahead and just wrote down gas bill, electric bill, internet bill, phone bill. There's some prescriptions they'll need to get. We have gas, that you see insurance and car payment has already been paid, groceries for the weekend, restaurants, and so you have your page 1 total. And then flip over to page 2. I went ahead and put down $50 for recreation, threw in some childcare and a date night, and then $173 to savings. So when you total at page 1, you get $552. When you total at page 2, you get $323. Page 1 and 2 total is $875, which if you remember, there was $875 left in that person's checking account. So this would be a zero-based income or a zero-based budget because the difference is zero. Now, for me, I like to leave a little bit of a buffer in my checking account. I don't like to budget all the way down to $0. So instead of putting $173 into savings, I might put $150 into savings. That way you have a little bit of a buffer. But these short mini budgets are what is going to keep you on track whenever things come up, whenever things don't go as planned, and it just allows you to still be in control of your money. This exact budget sheet is for sale at inspiredbudget.com in my budget finder bundle.